Sanibona. Ngithi namhlanje ngikhulume ngale ndaba ye-case yase-America i-Roe versus Wade. Lapho khona ekwatshintshwa khona isinqumo sokuthi abantu besifazane bavumelekile ukuthi bakhiphe izisu. Manje abasavumelekile ukuthi bakhiphe izisu ngoba kuthiwa ingane inamalungelo isasesiswini. Futhi uma ukhipha isisu ufana ukuthi ubulala ingane. Isishintshile-ke leyo nto, mhlawumbe nase-South Africa kuzohamba kushintshe ngoba kade e-South Africa kune-liberal mentality towards abortion and women's rights over their bodies. But that might change now given the fact that has changed in America, which is a country which is known to be one of the countries which are at the forefront at the fight for freedom. Not only the freedom of men, but the freedom of women as well. So we must expect some of those changes in South Africa, given the fact that it has happened already in the biggest democracy in the world. Thank you.